Plagiarizing is never groovy. But does that mean you should never cover another's work? Absolutely not, because the easiest way to learn is through imitation. Do the art you want to do, not for self-aggrandizement, but for self-improvement and the fun of doing a piece from out in the world that's captured your attention. You can be struck by a piece in the medium you're working in, or by a piece of work in an entirely different field. Photography, film, or in this case, anime. The artistry that went into Kangen Ashura was mind-blowing. But during the flashback scene, this happens, and I was like, I want to do that.
I be your superhero? Superhero.
As an artist, you can cover others' work for practice and for fun, not to monetize on or to post on social media as your own work. I hope this helps you feel like you can engage others' art more responsibly and freely. Let me know how your work is coming along. Thanks for joining us here at White Paint and Pastels. Please like, subscribe, and ring the bell. And we'll see you back here on the first Friday of every month. Check out my website and use the links below for any supplies you might need. But most importantly, get out there and keep doing art because life's a medium.